If you're choosing between the Huawei Watch Fit 5 Pro and the Apple Watch SE 3, you're basically deciding between two very different smartwatch experiences. One focuses on battery, fitness, and display, while the other focuses on performance and ecosystem. So the real question is, which one actually fits your daily use better? Let's compare them side by side. Design, build, and display. When you first look at these two watches, the difference is very clear. The Huawei Watch Fit 5 Pro comes with a slim rectangular design that feels modern and lightweight. It's built with premium materials like a titanium bezel and sapphire glass, so it feels solid but still comfortable for all-day wear. On the other hand, the Apple Watch SE 3 keeps Apple's classic square design with an aluminum body. It looks clean and familiar, especially if you've used an Apple Watch before, but it doesn't feel as premium as Huawei's build. Now coming to the display, this is where Huawei really stands out. The Fit 5 Pro has a larger 1.92-inch AMOLED screen with up to 3000 on its brightness. That means it looks brighter, sharper, and much easier to use outdoors. The Apple Watch SE 3 has a smaller Retina display, and it doesn't include an always-on display, which makes it feel slightly less modern compared to Huawei. So overall, both look good, but Huawei clearly wins in display size, brightness, and overall premium feel. Battery life. Battery life is one of the biggest differences between these two. The Huawei Watch Fit 5 Pro easily gives you around 7 to 10 days of usage, depending on how you use it. That means you don't have to worry about charging it every day. The Apple Watch SE 3, on the other hand, lasts around 18 hours, so you'll need to charge it daily. So if battery life is important to you, Huawei is far ahead here. Features, health, fitness, and connectivity. When it comes to features, both watches offer a strong experience, but they focus on different things. The Huawei Watch Fit 5 Pro is more focused on health and fitness. It comes with the new TrueSense system, which improves accuracy in heart rate, blood oxygen, and sleep tracking. You also get better fitness insights and a wide range of sports modes, making it a strong option for people who are into workouts and daily activity tracking. Apple Watch SE 3 covers the basics well, like heart rate tracking, activity rings, and general fitness tracking. But it doesn't go as deep into advanced health data as Huawei does. However, Apple takes the lead when it comes to smart features and connectivity. The SE 3 runs on the S10 chip, which makes everything feel fast and smooth. Apps open quickly, navigation is fluid, and the overall experience feels more responsive. You also get better app support, tighter ecosystem integration, and a more polished smartwatch experience, especially if you're using an iPhone. Huawei still offers useful features like Bluetooth calling, notifications, and GPS tracking, but the overall app ecosystem is more limited compared to Apple. So in simple terms, Huawei is stronger in health and fitness, while Apple is stronger in smart features and ecosystem. Final verdict. So which one should you choose? If you want better battery life, a brighter and bigger display, and more advanced health tracking, the Huawei Watch Fit 5 Pro is the better choice. But if you use an iPhone and want smoother performance, better apps, and a more connected experience, the Apple Watch SE 3 makes more sense. So it really comes down to your priority: fitness and battery, or smart features and ecosystem. Now tell me in the comments, which one would you pick? And for more simple and honest smartwatch comparisons, make sure to subscribe to SmartWatchRadar.